So today we are going to discuss about introduction of Ahara according to Ayurveda. So today's topics or specific learning objectives are: first, at the end of the session, the students or person to able to explain definition of Ahara. Then second one, to describe importance of Ahara, to understand the classification of Ahara. The main contents of today's topics are: first one, introduction; next, nirukti of Ahara; third one, importance of Ahara; fourth one, Ahara Bheda, that's a type of Aharas. First, we will go for the introduction. So, Ahara is one among the Trayopastambha. So, Ahara is one among the Trayopastambha. So, first we should know what is Trayopastambha. The Trayopastambha is: Traya means three, Upa means subsidiary, Stambha means pillars. So, these are the main three subsidiary pillars of our life, that are Ahara, Nidra and Brahmacharya. So, Ahara is one among the Trayopastambha. Next one, Ahara has been placed first among Trayopastambhas, which shows that it is most important to maintain and sustain the life. Food is the third most important thing for living being to live after air and water. So, Ahara is the third most thing after air and water. So, next we will go for the Nirukti of Ahara, definition of Ahara. Hrine Harane idi Ahara. That means anything means to be taken inside or anything means to be taken in, that is Ahara according to Ayurveda. So, these are the some other definitions of Ahara. According to Shabda Kalpadruma, Ahriyade idi Ahara Annapanadi Sarvam. That is the substance which is to be taken in or swallowed in through the throat is called Ahara. That is a Ahriyade idi Ahara. Ahriyade, that is a to be taken inside. Annapanadi Sarvam, it's include both Anna and Pana. That means Anna in sense solid particle or solid food, Pana means liquid food. So, the substance which is to be taken in or swallowed in through the throat is called Ahara. Next one, according to Chakrapani Tika, Ahriyade idi Aharam Pheshajamabi. Chakrapani has said that Ahara means which is ingested and thus includes both diet and drugs. In first sloka, there is a Anna Panadi Sarvam, that is Ahara, Anna and Pana. But second sloka, according to Chakrapani Tika, that is a Pheshajam Abhi Aharam. Ahriyade idi Aharam Pheshajam Abhi. That is a also even medicines also considered as the one among the food item. So, Ahriyade idi Ahara Pheshajam Abhi. That means Anna, Pana, also the Bheshaja. Bheshaja is nothing but drugs or medicines. Next, according to Gangadhara Tika, Jihvayam Hyaranam Aharam. That means Jihva. Jihva means tongue. Hyaranam Aharam, which ingested by the tongue down to the throat is called Ahara. Jihvayam Hyaranam Aharam. So, next slide we will see the Pramagutta of Ahara, that is the importance of Ahara according to Ayurveda. Charaka Sutra 24 chapter 45th sloka, Ahara Sambhavam Vastu Rogascha Ahara Sambhavaha Hida Ahida Visheshatu Vishesho Sukha Dukkayo. Ahara Sambhavam Vastu Rogascha Ahara Sambhavaha. That is, a human body is born from food and diseases are also produced by food. That is a Vastu Rogascha Ahara Sambhava. That means the both entity, the life and the diseases, the healthiness and the diseases also produced from the Ahara. So, Ahara Sambhavam Vastu Rogascha Ahara Sambhavaha Hida Ahida Visheshatu Vishesho Sukha Dukkyo. Hida means wholesome food, Ahida means unwholesome food. So, wholesome and unwholesome food is responsible for the happiness and misery. That is a Visheshatu Sukha Dukkyo. So, both happiness and misery are depend on the wholesomeness and unwholesomeness food. If you are taking the wholesome food, that is happiness. If you are taking the unwholesome food, that is a misery or dukkha or disease. According to Charaka Sutra, 25th chapter, 40th sloka, Annam Vrittikaranam Sreshtaha. That is, Anna is best among things which help to do work. Here, Annam Vrittikaranam Sreshtaha. Sreshta means supreme. So, Vritti in the sense any pravritti or work. So, Annam Vrittikaranam Sreshtaha means Anna is best among things which help to do work. Na cha ahara. According to Kashyapa Khilastana, 4th chapter, 5th sloka, Na cha ahara samam kinchit beshajam upalabhyade shakyade annamatrena naraha kartum niramaya. That is, no medicine is equivalent to the food. That is, na cha ahara samam kinchit beshajam upalabhyade. No medicines are equivalent to the food. So, no medicine equivalent to the food. It is possible make person disease free with just proper diet. Shakyade annamatrena naraha kartum niramaya. Shakyade in the sense we can do the only with anna we can make the person without any kind of diseases. That is shakyade annamatrena. Only with annamatra we can make a person without any kind of disease. Kartum niramaya. Niramaya in the sense there is no diseases. So, Arogyam Bhojanadinam, Kashyapa Khilastana, 5th chapter, 9th sloka, health is depend on food. Our health is only depend on our food. Next, Susruta Chikilsa, 24th chapter, 38th sloka, Ahara Prinano Sathyo Balagrit Deha Dharagaha, Ayu Tejaha Samutsaha Smriddhi Ojo Agni Vivarthanam. That is according to Susrutacharya, the food enhances vitality. That is Ahara Prinana. First one, Ahara Prinana Sathyo Balagrit Deha Dharagaha. Ahara Prinana Sathyo Balagrit Deha Dharagaha. Ayu Tejaha Tamutsaha Smriti Oja Agni Vivardhanam. These are the quality. These are the importance of Ahara according to Sushruta. The food is enhances vitality. That's a Prinana. Next, Sathyo Balagrit. It will increase the strength and makes the body steady. That is a Deha Dharagaha. Food increases lifespan. Ayu. Ayu in the sense longevity. It will increase the Ayu. Tejaha. That's a luster. Next, Samutsaha. Samutsaha means enthusiasm. It will increase the enthusiasm. Smriddhi. It will increase the memory. Next, Oja. Oja means ojas. It will increase the ojas. Agni Vivarthanam. Agni Vivarthanam in the sense it will increase the digestive fire. So, Ahara Prinano Sathyo Balagrit Deha Dharagaha Ayu Tejaha Samutsaha Smriddhi Ojo Agni Vivardhanam. These are the importance of Ahara. Yes. So, next slide. According to Charaka Sutra, 27th chapter, 349-350 sloka, this is the importance of Ahara. That is a Pranaha Pranamrudanam Annam Logo Abhitavadi Varna Prasada Sausuryam Jeevidam Pradibasugam Tushti Pushti Balam Meta Sarvamanne Pradishtitam. That is these are the importance of Ahara according to Charaka Sutra. So, Pranaha Pranamrudanam Annam Logo Abhidavadi. That's a for all living beings, food is the sustainer. That's the first line. Next, Varna Prasada Sausuryam Jeevidam Pradipasugam. That is a, it will increase. That is a Varna. That is a color. It will increase the color. Then Prasada, complexion. Sausuryam. That is a Sausuryam means good voice. It will increase the. It is a betterment of good voice. Soda means voice. Sausuryam means good voice. Jeevidam. That is a longevity. It will increase the longevity, lifespan, span of life. Pradibha Sugam, immunity and happiness. Next, Tushti Pushti Balam Metha Sarvam Anne Pradishtitam. So, Tushti Pushti Balam Metha Sarvam Anne Pradishtitam. These all the factors is depend on food. Tushti, it's a increase the strength, buddhi, memory, Sarvam Anne Pradishtitam. So, these are the importance of Ahara according to Charaka Sutra. Next slide, we will see the Ahara Bheda, the classification of Ahara according to Ayurveda. First, depending on Yoni, that is the origin, Sthavara and Jangama. There are two kinds, that is Sthavara Ahara, next Jangama Ahara. Sthavara in the sense vegetarian, Jangama Ahara non-vegetarian. So, as you all know, Sthavara, the vegetarian food as well as the non-vegetarian food. Next, depending on taste, Ahara classified into Madhura, Amla, Lavana, Kadu, Kashaya, Tikta. That is a Madhura Ahara, Amla Ahara, Madura Ahara means sweet. Amla, that's sour. Lavana Ahara, salty food. Kadu, that is a spicy food. Kashaya, that is a pungent food. Tikta Ahara, that is a bitter food. So these are according to taste. Madura, Amla, Lavana, Kadu, Kashaya and Tikta. Next, depending on the quality of food, there is a Guruvadi Guna. That is a Guru, Manda, Hima, Snigdha, Slakshna, etc. are the Guruvadi Guna. Depend on Guruvadi Guna, that is a Guru Ahara, then Lagu Ahara, Snigdha Ahara. What is Guru Ahara? That is a heavy food, then light food, then Snigdha Ahara, that is Anctus, then Ducha Ahara, dry food, etc. On the base of Guruvadi Guna, there are 20 types of Ahara. Next, depending on yoga, that is Sattviga, Rajasiga, Tamasiga Ahara. Depending on the yoga philosophy, Sattviga Ahara, Rajasiga Ahara, Tamasiga Ahara. What is Sattviga Ahara? That is a natural food, example fruits, vegetables, etc. Rajasiga Ahara, the Ahara with spicy, etc. etc. That is a next. Tamasiga Ahara, that is a stale food, the processed food, etc. We can example for the Tamasiga Ahara. Depending on effect, Hida Ahida, that is a wholesome food and unwholesome food. These are the two kinds depending on the effect. Next, according to Charaka Sutra 27th chapter, these are the Ahara Vargikarana. According to Charaka Sutra 27th chapter, there is sloga Paramodo Varga Sangrahenam Aharam Dravyanam Anuvyakhyasyamaha Shugadhanya Shamidhanya Mamsa Shaga Falasrayan Vargan Harida Madhya Ambu Gorasa Ichu Vigarigan Dashadvecha Abaro Varge Kritana Ahara Yoginavaha. That is, these are the 12 types of Paramodo Varga Sangrahenam Ahara Dravyanam Anuvyakyasyamaha. That is the last line we can see Dashadvecha Abaro. Dashadve, Dasha in the sense 10. Dashadve means 12. These are the 12 Ahara Varga according to Charakajarya. We can see here Shuga Varga, Shami Varga, Mamsa, Shaka, Phala, Harida, Madhya, Jala, Gorasa, Ichu, Kritana, last one Ahara Upyogi Varga. First two are Shugadhanya, Shamidhanya. So both are Dhanya Vargas. Dhanya Vargas. In that Dhanya Varga, there are two types of Dhanya Varga, Shugadhanya as well as Shamidhanya. What is Shugadhanya? Shugadhanya in the sense, Shuga in the sense spine. So both end is tapering end. For example, that is a Shugadhanya, we can consider that is a monocotyledon. Examples are both end is tapering end. Shali, that is a rice. Goduma, that is a wheat. Extra we can consider as the example for the Shugadhanya. That is a monocotyledon. It has only one cotyledon. Shamidhanya Varga, that is a dicotyledon. That is it has Shamidhanya Varga, it has two cotyledons. For example, green pea, Bengal gram, Rajmasha, etc. are the Shamidhanya example. Next, Madhya Varga, that is alcoholic preparation. For example, medicines also is there. That is Asava Arishta. In Ayurveda, Asava Arishta we can consider as the alcoholic preparation. Next, Jala Varga. Jala Varga means, according to Ayurveda, there are two kinds of Jala, Bhauma Jala, Antariksha Jala, and then Tadaga Jala, etc. are considered as the example for Jala Varga. Next one is the Gorasa Varga. Gorasa Varga means milk or milky products. For example, milk we can consider as Gorasa Varga, then butter, dahi, etc. we can consider as the Gorasa Varga. Next, Ichu Varga. Ichu Varga is any Ahara Varga which made up of the sugar cane. For example, Sharkara, Jaggery, etc. we can consider as the Ichu Vargas. Next, Krita Anna Varga. Krita Anna Varga means already prepared annas. That is a Krita Anna. Krita means already prepared. Anna in the sense that is a monocotyledon, dicotyledon, because mainly the food substance prepared out of Dhanya Varga. For example, Manda, Peya, Vilebi, etc. are there. Next, Ahara Upyogi Varga. This is the Ahara Upyogi Varga in the sense for preparing any Ahara we are using these kind of things. The category of Varga, that is the Ahara Upyogi Varga. So these are the Ahara Upyogi Varga. Next slide, we are going for summary of the topic, that is according to Ayurveda, definition of Ahara, that is anything, Ahriyade idi Aharam Annapanadi Sarvam. So anything we are ingesting through the throat, that is Ahara. That includes Anna and Pana, both solid and liquid food. Also, there is a reference like Beshajam Abhi. Medicines also we can consider as the Ahara. Next, we discussed the importance of Ahara. There are several types of importance according to different acharyas. Next, types of Ahara, that is also on the based on different categories, on the base of Rasa, Guna, etc. etc. So, this is a small topic regarding Ahara according to Ayurveda. Thank you.